Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss about HP's project. So here we propose a machine learning based web applications. So it is capable of classifying the text. Like if you enter any text, so it will predict whether the text is hate speech or offensive language or neither. So in this we are using logistic regression model, and this is the block diagram. So first we need to collect the data set, and then we are doing pre-processing. So here we are doing feature extraction. Then we are using SMOD so to handle the data imbalances. After that we are training our model and we are getting prediction. So this we are integrating with the web pages. And this is my code like app.py. So here I'm using as Flask to integrate with the HTML pages and creating a web pages. So Flask is the framework of the Python. So this is the one class. So first we need to create one object. So that object is equal to name. So if that name is equal to main means, so our app will get run here. And this is the index page of hate speech. Like we have 5 types of buttons for login, register, about, contact, and predictions. So directly you cannot access this prediction button. First of all, we need to register and we need to log in, then we can access that button. So in about page, you can see that what are the types we have used for the project. So like test pre-processing, and for feature extraction, we are using TF, IDF, and for the data imbalance, we are using SMOD. And then we are training the model and evaluating and saving, and we are making for the predictions. So this you can see in the about pages. And if you have any query about this, so you can contact through this form button. And then here we have register and login. So already if you register means directly we can log in. So for prediction, first of all, we need to log in. So this is the prediction page. Like first we need to enter the text and it will analyze and it will predict whether the test is hate speech or neither, like that. So this is our data set. So we have count, hate speech, offensive, and neither. So this is our class. So this is our tweets. So based on this input, it's going to predict whether the text is hate speech, offensive, or neither. So if you click analyze tweets, means it is the offensive language. So here you can see that the word as fuck. So it defines as the offensive languages. So based on these inputs, it will predict the outcome, like what types of text it is. And this is for the back and logout button. So once we click this logout button, again you need to log in for the prediction purpose.